West Mogrango na Kituba sana. Oise kwa anda Bosongo otobwate umo senator otenete chi constituents Kianda. Ndikwa nini? Kianda. Oise kwa anda Kakamega otobwate umo senator otenete chi constituency 12. 12. Oise kwa anda Bungoma the same. Oise kwa anda Lam tuko na governor ama senator ambaye anasimamia constituencies 2. So tubwato bonene which county na barumo pimo. So sometimes senators are not able to oversight. Mbai konya ko oversight governors whose activities ya county governments properly. So the proposal which we have here as a bill ili aroisirie Nelina tutuale an oversight fund for the senators. So that ekero umuskoko rubonyonka akorubo ebo gitutu konyole nchirago ika umachoge. Aende South Mugirango, aende Nyaliba, agende bo Nchari, aende bo gitutu chache North na bo gitutu chache South. Ndikwa nena basikwamiti. So that no enu mugabano yonka uyoko rupo kongo mogeni na yeye apate njia ya kufanya hiyo supervision. Uise kwanda sana wajia ne county nene ebwete Embu combined na Meru. Na kwa sababu watu wanakaa in towns, saa zingine inakuwa vigumu sana for a senator to cross from one town to the other. We say from one constituency to the other. That's why mwegule na governors yoko nyaraba kuma na kurumambi na ichi senator kiara sometimes mbai kuma na kigen kolete kigen rete. Nobora yekara bantu ba chorirwe yobago chorwa elinde bakolera abantegas. Nondo nyantubu atinchira to community. Nono mujumbe. Onyantubu atinchira to kuligerere. Naboko nyana na chiwa siriti ni chigo icha chiwento ko given as bursaries chiwento ko kugora maliogo chiwento ko libinte vingi njiri okora chirigo kora because ekoba kon umurayo de bwes utumia chiwa sia ko muboko ili lach ko libinte na biyo kolekana wose kwanyora governors they become corrupt aba kumi asoko enda mpaka asi senate baenda bali kichi committee jirichi kuba oversight baenda baba kobera chibesa keri report ya chiri kurwase control of budget kurotwa nyolile control kurwase auditor general baenda kwanya na bachi sibirie elinde amangana atako manyikana. That's why today municipal county chose P. You can rate count number 1 depending on the governor or to count number 47. Tegwa nini? Mwenye kwenda ndwami? Na waelezea ili kusudi mjue that's why the senators after doing an assessment after the implementation of the current constitution from 2013 it's a feeling that we introduce that fund so that we are able to do proper oversight by the senators. Number 3, National Government Affirmative Action Fund. Given to women reps. It's a prescription in the law about the women rep depending on the number of constituencies you have. Iga kwa uchiwa singa na iga kurwase budget. Umongina Jerusha noale, umongina Donya noale kuru Bosongo, na abande countrywide. They are 47 in number. So na chirochio asingencho it's being governed by an act of parliament. The intention is to make sure no go as per the proposal ya Jailan Uchiko kuna kobe kwa se constitution so that those 3 funds chive governed properly. We want to know what's coming. So there's a feeling chive se chio which go interfere na mangana devolution. Ono ni numura ateve. Kuna chive se chio ekarochi achira se constituency. Mku undermine chile activities by county governments. Usichibe se chio ekarochi go chakurungafu. Uchigo interfere. Usichia saria. Imepange liyo konyora gavana zibabwate no mwigura abantu bawo kwana. Mwigwa manganayo. Mwenye igwete ose mwenye igwete. Ose morocho buya gosobo sera. Bugo tuwara chibe sechi. Na ende kwando to promote it and to be captured in the constitution. That is the purpose as to why we are here. And so that we can add value to the proposal, so that we can improve that proposal. Elinde tumago nyesuguma gochimotu. Because enense ekoba governed by amachiko, and amachiko na bago tewayo. Na watu wangu anatweka ransen tuweka tugo eti. Lakini owo chika ose constitution yako tebana valia moko represent kera ni numo to achingu chinguru mbwate igondo stino tumugirango wedera chikura yetipo atinguru chile chons kera njene kure ya mongole de mbwate so weka aseko vetereri tua icha semole tua maboli na kitoko kora manganaye ekere county assembly ya Nyamire go ikaransa ye wende go ikaransa kwa niaba yenyu mwa MCA teyo cholire ubwato bumanyi kubwa inwe buli mubwato mugwende kwanda mwa mutumu. The same thing to governance. That's why a county government ekwenda ya ikaransa yaro usiende kuna CIPP, County Integrated Development Plan. Wenda kuba subjected to public participation. Ekerego ikarenyo award mugo ikaransa na to ikaranste mwate ba inu mote tukwaga ajeru endeke ntute neke intuna north mogrango ntute stadium ntute gete neke account government ya na ikaransa kare ikaransire ya beke endeke to that plan so that ya guide karojibas chachire ya implement all those projects. So that's why we can start through the parliamentary initiative. We went to go change that constitution. Elinde na itora nyale kuweka. Ose era itora nyale konyole pila. Yoko kuweka those 3 funds as a constitution. Na bata ina gantu bata basketball parliament, the National Assembly.